Things are shaping up over here. This room is gonna turn out exactly like the other rooms. So the idea is that when you come in here, everything is the same, everything matches. Got everything painted up against there. The ceiling, the walls, all that. Well, I still got a few things to do, and here's one of the things I still have to do. You see that? I just painted all my baseboard, and it turned out really nice. It's always good to paint your baseboard before you install it. Then after I nail it up there, I'll caulk it and touch up the nail holes and do some touch-up painting on it. Then it'll be all nicely finished. Better to do that than to paint right down against the floor, you know what I mean? And this time, instead of cutting it with my little hand miter box plastic one, I'm going to show you how to use this guy right here. Compound electric miter saw. We're going to use that to cut this base. And then I'm going to install it. I'll put that trim down at the bottom of it. Got some other trim here that goes over there by the sliding glass doors. And usually when I get done with the job, I like to make it all look nice and finished. And this right here was a brown light switch, and it had a brown cover plate on it. Well, I'm not going to leave that because that's going to look hokey, you know. So I'm going to install this nice white light switch right there. Won't that look good against the white windows and the nice chiffon yellow paint? That'll look really nice. That'll dress that up. Won't cost very much to do that. Okay, and then I got some plugs here too. And I've got some plugs down here on the wall, and some of these are good plugs. Now see that plug right there? That looks all nice, right? Now look at this one. You see anything wrong with it? Get you right down there. That's a dark brown plug, and it's been painted over, so it looks like the other ones. How hokey is that? And they installed it upside down, and the little ground areas right here are broken off. So I'm going to take that off and replace that with a new plug. I'm looking over here, same thing. Here's a nice white plug there, and here's one upside down, a brown one. So I'm going to replace that. And you remember there was a plug right down there that I patched. Oh, that patch turned out really nice. Right here against the wall. Can't even see it now. It's so smooth, I don't even know where it's at exactly. I finished around that, so I still have to put that cover plate up. But before I put the cover, the plastic cover on the thermostat, I need to paint around the edge of this door casing. I caulked that all in. Now I need to paint that edge before I put that cover on, so I got enough room. Still got to caulk around this old casing. I think I'm going to use that, and I'll caulk the inside edge right there, and then I'll paint that to match the other side, you know, so it'll match. I still have to do all that, and you know, so there's still a few more things I've got to do, but I need to do all this so that it matches up perfectly. I went ahead and I painted around this window up here, and I even did that over this wood floor. I took my craft paper, see all those white lines? Well, that's what I painted my baseboard on. And these long pieces of baseboard, I just painted it right down on the craft paper, and I slid that craft paper up there against the wall, used my ladder, got up there, and you know, I'm not sure, but I don't think I dropped any paint on this floor, but it was a good thing that I put that down anyways. You know, because I wanted to protect my floor. I didn't have enough time to paint this window frame before I installed this floor. So sometimes you got to do things out of sequence. And if you do, hey, you just deal with it. Okay, so I've got a few things I've got to set up. And today I'm going to show you how to use that saw right there. And we're going to start cutting this base. I've got to get this job done. So, you know, all the things that I've talked about, just about all the things I've showed you different things on how to do it, and I've posted it up on my YouTube channel. You got to check that stuff out. You know, if you think you couldn't do certain things, man, hey, if I can do it, you can do it. That's what this channel is all about. I don't show you anything I don't think you can't do yourself. Okay? So, stick around. I think you're going to learn a few things today.